Hi there. So AI is powerful, but power without principles, that's a recipe for trouble. So today let's talk about how to use AI with ethics, morals, and values, and why this is non-negotiable. So number one is first respect privacy. Don't feed AI tool sensitive information about people without their consent. Data is not just numbers, it's someone's life, their story, their trust. Number two, be fair and unbiased. So AI reflects the data it's trained on, which means it can also reflect biases. Question the outputs. If something feels off, don't just accept it. Investigate it. Yeah, I literally argue with my chat GPT sometimes. Yeah, we can question it, and then see how chat gpt responses if you try to argue with it. Okay, number three, transparency builds trust. So be upfront when AI is involved, whether you're writing, designing, or making decisions. Let people know when the machine had a hand in it. You know, maybe put a disclaimer that I use ChatGPT. 10% of this is ChatGPT, and 90% is you. Okay, so number four is use AI to enhance humanity and not replace it. The goal is to make our work smarter, not strip away human creativity, empathy, and judgment. So finally, always align with your core values. Ask yourself, does using AI in this way benefit people or just profit? If it clashes with your morals, it's not worth it. So really, AI is a tool. It has no conscience. We human beings have conscience, but AI tools do not have conscience. So it is our responsibility to guide it with integrity. Let's build a future where tech and humanity thrive together. Use AI wisely, lead with values. So I just want to share that today because I realized that I always use AI in my everyday life. Like sometimes I really think that how did I work 15 years ago without ChatGPT? But anyway, just a reminder for us to have that we human beings have the conscience and not AI. So thanks for today. I hope you come by and visit my YouTube channel once in a while. Bye.